Guys, welcome to another prank project. Here, as anyone enters the room, a haunting sound is played and they get scared. So let us see some of the prank videos.
Science speed, fast.
So guys, this is the Tinkercast simulation. This is Arduino and this is PIR sensor. So this is an Arduino which can be controlled by programming it via Arduino IDE. Living beings emit IR radiations from their body. This PIR sensor receives the IR radiations and emits the signal. So now guys, let us look at the mechanism of the PIR sensor. As the door opens, it won't detect anything. As a human body comes in front of it, it will detect it and send the signal to the Arduino. So the mechanism is, as the sensor detects an human interaction, it sends the signal to the Arduino, which in turn sends the command to PC to play the horror music. Moving to the coding part, this will be done in two steps. First, we will take the signal from the PIR sensor using Arduino IDE. Second, we will be using the data from the PIR sensor to play the music on the PC using Python. So these codes are also available on GitHub. Do check them out and provide any comments. The links are in description. So guys, this was it for today. Do like, share and subscribe the video. Also provide any comments or ideas in the comment section. Thank you.